we say simultaneous equation, you're actually talking about looking for the answer to two unknown. Let me give an example. If I have this, like I told you yesterday, if I have x, 2x minus 4, remember we said this is going to be equals to what? Equals to 2, because I will have 2x is equals to 4, right? And my x will be 4. Yeah, exactly. I like that. So that means that now x is 2. Now, in this type of question, we said we have only one unknown because the only thing we are looking for is x. Are you following?
Yes. Yes.
Beautiful. But let me give you another type of question. X plus y, x plus y is equals to 6. Look at this question. In this question, it is not possible to find x and y because we have two unknown, x and y. Are you following?
Yes.
Now, the only way we can find the value for x and y is to write another equation. For example, x minus y is equals to 2. Are you following? Now, remember I said we have two unknown. The number of unknown is going to be the number of equations we can have to be able to solve the problem. Do you get that?
Yes.
Good. The number of unknowns is the number of equations required to solve the problem. In the first example, the number of unknown is 1, only x, and the equation is also 1, so we are able to solve the problem. In this example, the number of unknowns are 2, x and y. That's why we have two equations. This is called simultaneous equation. Simultaneous because we are going to solve it, the two of them together. When you are doing two things together at the same time, you say you are doing them simultaneously. Are you following? For example, when you are eating and you are talking, you said you are eating and talking simultaneously. Are you following? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, mister.
Okay, so can I continue?
Yes.
Beautiful. So let us solve this problem. Now look at this problem. I have x plus y is equals to 6. I have x minus y is equals to 2. What I will do is to add them together. I'll put a plus here. I will add them together. Now, there are two methods you use to solve simultaneous equation. Two methods. Let me write them. The first method is, do you know the methods? Do you know the methods for simultaneous equation?
Elimination and
Yes, and what? Elimination.
I forgot it.
Oh, you forgot it. Okay, I'll write it now. Then you tell me. I'll write it and you tell me. Now, can you remember now?
So
Uh-huh. Okay, let me write another letter. Can you remember now?
no.
Okay. Can you remember now?
Substitution.
Substitution. Yeah, I like that. Substitution. Okay. Method. These are the two methods, right? Now, we are going to learn the two methods today, but I will start with elimination method, right? So let me start with elimination method. Now, so for this example, we are going to solve it with elimination method, right? Good. So I'm saying that I'll add these two together. Are you following? Now, let us add them. What is x plus x? What is x plus x? What is x plus x? Can you hear me?
Yes.
So what is x plus x?
0.
No.
Y.
Okay. I have x here plus x.
2x.
Huh?
X squared?
No, 2x, 2x, 2x.
Okay.
Because I'm adding them together, plus x. If it is x multiply x, that is x squared. But x plus x is 2x. Now look at the next one. I have y plus minus y. You know that plus multiply minus is what? When you multiply plus and minus together, what do you get?
Plus.
No, you get minus. So plus multiply minus will be minus. So it means it is y, that is the first y, minus y. So what is y minus y? What is y minus y? Okay, let me use number. What is
minus 2y.
Okay, wait.
2y.
Let's say 2 minus 2. What is 2 minus 2?
0.
0. So y minus y is also 0.
Yeah.
Right? So it means that here I'll have plus 0. Right? Because y minus y is 0. Is equals to 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. What is 6 plus 2? What is 6 plus 2?
8.
8. Good. Now, you can see now, so 2x plus 0 is what? 2x plus 0 is 2x. Because 0 is nothing, so we just remove it. Is equals to 8. Now, what is x now? What is x?
8 divided by 2.
Aha, I like that. It's what?
4.
4. Yes, very good. 4. Now, x is 4. So we have gotten answer for x. We have to go back and get answer for y. Are you following?
Yes.
So you take this answer for x to any of the equation. You know I have 2 of them. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So you can choose any one you like. Let me choose equation 1. My x is 4, right? So I'll change this x to 4. So I'll have 4 plus what? 4 plus what? I'm writing from this equation and I've changed x to 4. So what? 4 plus what? I changed this to 4. I have plus. What is the next thing? Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, mister.
Okay, yeah, welcome back.
Thank you.
I've changed x to 4. I'm writing from this equation. I changed x to 4. Plus, what will I write next? 4 plus what?
Four. That's it.
No, 4 plus y. See, I'm writing from this equation. X
Oh yeah.
is now 4 plus y is equals to what?
Equals 6.
Equals 6. So what is y now?
Um, 6 minus 4.
Yes, which is 2.
Yes.
So you can see now we have find answer for x and answer for y. This is how you solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. Elimination method, because we remove y, you can see from here, we removed y minus y becomes 0. So we eliminate, we remove. Is that okay? So when we get answer for x, we take it back to the equation. Anyone, equation 1, for example, I changed my x to 4 because I have answer for x now. Then plus y is equals to 6. Then we find answer for y. Is that clear? Do you understand that now?
Yes.
Beautiful. Let me take another question. 2c plus d. Do you collect your textbook the last time you came around? Did you collect your textbook?
No, mister, they only gave me my biology book. They said math is not there.
Math is not there?
Yeah, they said it's not there.
Come on. Okay, no problem. All right, so now let's take another example. I will take 2 examples and you will solve one question. Okay, so now 2c plus d is equals to 23. Then the second one is c minus d is equals to 1. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Now tell me, what should I do next? What should I write next? I want to solve this using elimination method. So now, tell me what I should do.
Choose an equation.
No, before you choose any equation, we are going to add them together.
By 2.
Now, why do you think we are adding and not minus? Why do you put plus and not minus? Why? Now, let me tell you, you can see this letter. This is letter D and letter D, right? You can
Yes.
see that they have the same coefficient, meaning the number before them is 1 and it's the same thing. Can you see that?
Yes.
Look at letter C. Do they have the same coefficient?
Yes.
Okay, what is the coefficient of the 2 of them? Letter C. No, they don't have. The coefficient of C here is 2. For this one is 1. So they are not the same. But for letter D, they are the same because it is 1, 1. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. That is why we want to eliminate D. Are you following? Because it's easy now, they are the same, so we can remove it.
Yes.
Are you following? Now,
Yes.
why I chose to put plus here is because in this one, we have minus. And like I told you before, when I multiply plus and minus, I get minus. So it's going to change to D minus D. And that will give me what? 0, like the one we did the last time. Are you following?
Yes.
If I put plus here, no, if I put minus here, please. If I put minus here, it will be minus multiply minus, minus multiply minus. Minus multiply minus is what?
Minus.
No, it's plus, right? And that will change to D plus D, which is 2D. I don't want to get 2D, I want to get 0. Are you following? That's why I used plus instead of minus here. Okay, so let's go back. Just to tell you why I chose that sign and not the other, is because I want to remove that letter D. Okay, so we can solve the problem now. So like you said, what I will do here is to add them together plus. What is 2C plus C? 2C plus C is what?
3C.
Huh?
3C.
Exactly, 3C. 3C. Now, I told you this now. D minus D is what? D minus D is what? D minus D. Can you tell me what is D minus D?
0.
Exactly, is 0. Are you following? Is equal to 23 plus 1. 23 plus 1 is what?
24.
24. Now you can find C, right? What is C? I have 3C is equals to 24. What would be my C?
Um, uh, 21.
21. Why 21? 3C is equals to 24.
We bring the 3 there, it becomes 24 minus.
No, you don't bring now. Because it is 3C, not 3 plus C, I'm going to divide the two sides by 3. Are you following? So 3 and 3 here will cancel. Then my C will be equals to 24 divided by 3. Which is what? Which is 8. Are you following?
Yes.
Now, we have gotten answer for C to be 8. What's the next thing we are supposed to do? What should we do next?
Uh,
The answer for C is 8. Huh? What did you say?
Put it in the equation.
Exactly. So I will take any equation I like. I can take the second one now. So I will change my C to 8. So 8. What will I write next?
8 minus D.
Minus D. Thank you. Is equals to what?
1.
1. Beautiful. So what is going to be D now?
1 minus 8.
Yes, 1 minus, so minus d will be equals to 1 minus 8, right?
Yeah.
What is 1 minus 8?
-7.
-7. But because d also has a negative, it means d is equals to 7. You know, minus d is equals to -7, right? So this negative and this negative will go. So d will be equals to 7. Is that clear?
Yes.
So let's take the last example. Then you take a classwork. Then we go to the next method, substitution method. So the last example is 5x minus 3y is equals to 23. Are you still ready for your test next week?
Yes.
Good. So you study your physics and let me know if you need anything. Is that okay?
Yes.
So 2x plus 3y is equal to what now? 26. Now these are the question. We want to solve this also using substitution elimination method, please. Using elimination method. So now, what will I do next first? Tell me what I should do first.
For elimination?
Elimination, yeah.
Plus 2.
Yes.
Plus the 2 of them.
I'll plus them together.
Yes.
What am I trying to remove? Is it x or y?
Why?
Why? Because they have the same coefficient, 3, 3. It's not easy to remove x because this is 5 and this is 2. But because they are the same, then I want to remove y. Are you following?
Yes.
Beautiful. So now 5x plus 2x is what? 5x plus 2x is what?
Seven.
Exactly, 7x. Then minus 3 plus 3 is what? Minus 3y plus 3y is what? Minus 3y plus 3y is what? Okay, let me check. Let me ask you this. Minus 4 plus 4 is equals to what? Minus 4 plus 4 is what?
-8.
No, not -8. Minus 4 plus 4. Huh?
8.
Not 8. Do you have a calculator there?
Yes.
You can try that. Minus 4 plus 4.
Zero.
0. So minus 3y plus 3y is also 0. Because they are the same, the only difference is the sign. That's why it's 0. Are you following? So I have plus 0 is equal to 23 plus 26 is 49. Are you following? So now 7x is equals to 49. What is x?
Uh, 49 minus 7. I divided by 7.
Divide by 7. So what is 49 divided by 7?
7.
7. So x is 7. So what is y? How can I find y? Tell me how I can find y. What should I do next to find y?
Put the x value in the equation.
Exactly. So I want to take equation 2. So I have the x value is 7. So I have 2. Remember x value is 7. So I will change that to 7 instead of x. When I have this, how will I find the answer? 2 and inside the bracket you have 7. What does that mean? 3y is equals to 26. 2 and you have 7 inside the bracket. What does that mean? This means 2 multiplied 7. That's 14. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? 14 plus 3y
Yes.
is equals to 26. So now my 3y will be 26 minus 14, right? What is 26 minus 14?
6 minus 14?
26
20.
minus 14.
$12?
Yes, 12. So 3y is equals to 12, right? So what is my y? What is y? Yes, what is y?
2 minus 3?
Huh?
2 minus 3.
2 minus 3? This is
12 minus 3.
I said not minus, you divide because it is 3y, not 3
Oh,
plus
minus.
y. So 12 divide 3, right? Which will give you 4. So y is 4 and x is 7. Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Can you solve any of these problems on your own? If I give you questions.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Good. So take these 2 questions. You will solve them, take a picture and send to me. So in our next class, we'll take the second method.
Okay.
Okay, so you have x plus 3y is equal to 8. X plus 3y. Are you writing?
Yes.
Okay, x plus 3y is equals to 8.
Miss, I can't hear you.
Okay, you can't hear me. Okay, let me write it for you. X plus 3y, this is question 1, is equals to 8. Then the second equation is x minus 2y. X minus 2y is equals to what? 3. This is the first question. The second question